Good day, everybody. I've got this handheld battery powered chainsaw for an unboxing and review. Let's check this baby out. I'm so excited. Hey guys, here's everything that came in the box. Got the saw itself, of course. It came with another chain as well. That is so cool. When do you buy a saw that comes with an extra chain? That's great. A couple tools, again, 2 batteries, and then here's the charger. Right, I'm charging this up right now before I use it, and I'm waiting for that indicator light to go green there. That means it's fully charged. The best thing to do is get the batteries fully charged before you use them. Okay, got the battery all charged up. So it's just as easy as this. This just slides right into here like that. It just slides on. When the battery runs out, switch it out and then plug it in right there. I need to tighten that chain up just a little bit. All right, to tighten this chain, which is what we need to do here, so I got a little more slack than I like. I'm just gonna loosen this up real quick here with that. I'm not gonna take this all the way off. I'm just getting it a little bit loose. Just barely. Now I'm going to take the screwdriver here that comes with the kit. See that screw right there? We're going to go ahead and tighten that up right there, and that'll tighten up our chain. Oh, they built this thing nice. It sits nice and flat on the table too, so you can work right here. Go ahead and crank that to the right a little bit. You can see just barely, a little bit more. So you want it to snap back a little bit. Go ahead and there we go. It's a little bit better. See, I'm getting that snap back. That's what I want. Maybe just a little bit more. There we go. Get it where you want it. And tighten that bolt back down to keep it in place. This right here. What's nice about this, you can keep all this stuff in this case that came with it too. I cannot wait to use this thing. I'm going to use the heck out of it. Okay, crank that down. Now, our chain's looking better. Okay, now we're ready to roll. This is great. You don't have to bust out a big saw to do these little jobs like this. That is beautiful. That's it. That's all it took. That's great. Get little sticks like this. This thing's great too for reaching up and limbing trees. This is so lightweight. That's the other thing that's nice about that. Very controllable. It's not heavy at all. Okay, great for trimming laurels too. You can reach up with them. So I'm gonna get this top piece right here. Yeah, you know, you get little stuff like this just hanging down. Makes it so much easier. Reach up here with this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut down this tree right here. Maybe I'm gonna try and do a little relief cut with this thing too. All right, you guys, if you're looking for a little handheld battery powered chainsaw, pick this one up. I'll leave the ordering link in the description. I absolutely love these things. I've never owned one of these before, but I love it. You don't have to get out your big chainsaw, fire it up, make a bunch of noise. This thing's nice and quiet, and you can do all the limbing and cutting you want. So works great for a lot of different things. Lightweight, easy to use. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.